Welcome to Xyrthim Tips. Whether you're playing PUBG Mobile on GL, KR, VNG, or BGMI, this is your go-to channel for the best gaming configurations. In this video, we'll dive into version 3.2 on 30 to 64th bit and explore powerful features like aim assist, less recoil, smooth gameplay, magic bullets, high damage, bullet tracking, hitbox enhancements, and more. All configurations are 100% safe and will elevate your gaming experience. Stay tuned, and I'll guide you step by step on how to apply these configurations. Don't forget to like, save, and share for more tips.